This is Jason with Glitch in the System. This is the end of week 2 of Udacity's Grow with Google Challenge. This week was about CSS, so the lessons were CSS syntax was the first unit. After that, there was a set of problems, and after that, there was a section on how to write code faster, and then there was a final project called Animal Trading Cards. So CSS syntax section basically went over CSS, how to use CSS, all about selectors, and different aspects of CSS. The problem set had you doing a few different things. So let me show you examples here. So there was a styling of an image, which is that. Styling of font, using attributes. Here is a Slacker card. So with this lesson, we actually used the developer tools to do this. So that was good that they taught you how to use developer tools. And this one also used the developer tools to edit this header here. And then towards the end, you will learn how to link to an external style sheet instead of just writing it into your HTML code. And then the final project, here's mine. So it's a little animal trading card. So for this week, it was a little more complicated than the first week. HTML has less moving parts than when you add CSS in. So you have the HTML, and then building on top of that, you have the style that goes with it. So it gets a little more complicated, but as you can see, it's not too bad, and you get to start using your creativity when you're working on your projects. The animal trading card project was great because if you look through the forum, you can see that there were people posting their examples, and people were getting very creative with them, using different backgrounds, different fonts, different animal choices, and it was basically all over the place on creativity of what people did. One item I will touch on is how to write code faster. So this is not CSS, but it was actually a good thing to review, even though it has nothing to do with HTML or CSS. It's basically a unit on how to use keyboard shortcuts with Sublime or Atom to do development faster. So if you don't know any keyboard shortcuts, then you would be typing and tabbing and mousing over things, and it makes development a little slower. They show you a lot of keyboard shortcuts. Whether you use all of them or not is up to you, but I would suggest at least using some of them to speed up your development. Alright, so next week it looks like we're going to be doing a unit on JavaScript. So data types, conditionals, loops, functions, arrays, objects. So next week is actually a pretty big chunk of content, and JavaScript is going to add more complexity to the websites. So you're going to have your HTML, then you're going to have your CSS, and then you're going to have your JavaScript. So a third layer of complexity. So I expect it to be more challenging, but it should be fun. Alright, I will make a video on how I did the animal trading card, and I will see you guys in the chat, or see you guys in the next video, I guess. Alright, bye.